Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I'm an investor and here for informative and educational purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research to determine if any given investment platform is for you. Please note there are no promises of fixed returns or guarantees of income when you invest, so do so at your own discretion and only do it in amounts that you are willing to possibly lose. I don't recommend investing any amount of money that you aren't comfortable with losing.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very quick and I am just going to show you how to fix the staking error that I've been receiving and I know a lot of other people have been receiving when trying to stake your standard and micro NFTs. So first things first, you're going to go into your Trust wallet or whatever app you have your D.E.B.T connected to. We're going to go to browser and we're going to go to rewards.thedebtbox.com. Once that loads up, remember you're going to have to change the view to the desktop. So we're going to click the top right hand corner, those three dots, and then I'm going to click desktop mode just to shrink everything and make everything smaller so we can see a better view. So there has been an email that went out today. I'm just going to go to it really quickly. And the email is just letting us know that we can now stake our standard and micro NFTs for Aluminum, Explorer, and Blocks. And then it states that we will begin to receive reward distributions starting on January 30th. All right, so now we're going to go back over to our Trust wallet and in the D.E.B.T rewards. Now that we have it in the desktop view, I've already done this on, I've already staked my Aluminum and I staked my Explorer. Now I just need to stake my Blocks real estate. So the key to get this to go through on the first time is, now I just read this in the, I figured this out by just reading through the D.E.B.T Telegram. If you're not in the Telegram, I do suggest you to add it and join that group. It can be helpful, although it is a bit of a mess. There's a lot of people talking over each other. It's kind of chaotic, but if you really read through and filter, you can kind of find answers and solutions to problems that you're having. There is someone by the name of Debt Guru who will respond, and he's pretty on it. So this is how I figured out how to handle this staking error that I kept having, where I had to keep approving, and it's costing me all these BNB fees. Well, not a lot, but you know, BNB fees are really low, but it's still costing like 6 cents here, 30 cents here. So anyway, to get it done the first round, what you have to do is you have to first stake standard, even if you don't have any, and then you stake your micros. So for example, we're in the Blocks real estate. I'm going to click on stake. And as you can see, I don't have any standard NFTs and Blocks. I have micros, but even though I don't have any standard, I'm going to click approve down here in this bottom right hand corner. And then I'm just going to approve it. Now that we've done that, click on micros. And then you see I have 10 micros. So I'm going to type 10 in the box here. And then I'm going to click on stake micro down here. Let it go through, approve it. Give it a second. Just let it process through and boom. Now it's done on the very first try. As you can see down here, I'm going to click on micros and you see all 10 of my micros are now staked. So that's very simple, very easy from the first time I was trying to do it and I had to keep hitting approve and approve and approve. This is the correction to the error that has been happening. So you're going to stake your standard first. Even if you don't have any, you're going to go to stake You're going to approve, and then you'll do the micros. Give it a couple of seconds to go through, and then scroll down to the bottom, and then just double check that they are staked. Now the rewards for these aluminum, blocks, and Explorer should start on the 30th. And that's it for today.
If you enjoyed this video and found it extremely helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Also, be sure to tap the little bell below so that you're always notified anytime I post new videos.